Everybody, Derek here from Wahlberg, Airstream and RV at the 2026 RV and Boat Show here at the Fairgrounds in Columbus. We got a lot of really new, neat, exciting products here that for people who've been touring. I thought, hey, let's do a little walkthrough, check out some of the unique offerings. A lot of fun stuff at the show, but I think our booth might be one of the best. As soon as you walk in, we got a 27-foot flying cloud with the hatch. This has been a big attention getter here. Everybody loves the idea of bringing the inside out. Screen door, great way for a family of 5 to go camping. The New Camp Haven has been something that we've been excited to show. This is New Camp's new largest camper. This is something that's gonna be a great opportunity for 2 people to go real comfortable and stay in the New Camp brand. One of the first ones in the country someone can come tour here too. So come in, let's go inside this one real quick. Storage on the outside, rubber torsion Dexter axles, just as you'd find on any other New Camp or Airstream. It's a queen bed, a full bathroom in the back, big armless awnings. There's a bunch of people in there. We're gonna keep on cruising. There's so much to check out here. Our trade winds trailer here, this has been a huge seller for Airstream. This is the biggest battery bank Airstream has on any of their travel trailers. They combine that with an entire roof of solar, a 3,000 watt inverter. This is one of the few travel trailers here at the show where you could run the air conditioner off the battery system. Not an option you can do on many other trailers. Here we find another hatch. Everybody loves the hatches on it. Trade winds has got a great throwback look. Beautiful fabric, cool colors in this. People really dig the decor. Here at 25 foot, we have a twin bed model. This is also available in a queen, but we sure do sell a whole lot of twin beds. A lot of room back here. Great nightstand. What more do you need? Love the idea that I could travel around this and have air conditioning running, microwave running, and just be on my batteries without having to plug in or get the generator out. Careful, cameraman there. You can look for it. You don't have to do a backwards entry here. We're not having you do stunts. Excuse us. Let's keep on going. Here we have 2 different dueling dualities. We got Teardrops, a simple, lightweight way to go camping, and then we got our Airstream Atlas. Probably one of the most luxurious rigs here at the show. Under 24 foot, I put this against anything as far as comfort for 2 people to gallivant around the country. Very nice, very comfortable, very roomy. But let's go into New Camp world here. Our lovely 400. This has always been a popular camper for New Camp. 3,000 pounds, has a rear bed and a dinette up front that turns into a bunk bed. So family of 4, 3,000 pounds, that's a great solution. Of course, we got our drop-in campers. We love our drop-in campers. A 620 is your half-ton drop-in camper. This is around 1,400 pounds, so the right half-ton truck, you drop that in, ready to go. Always popular with customers that think maybe want to bring a boat or some other toy behind them. The New Camp 360 clamshell, brand new for this year. This is a 3,000 pound camper with a great outside kitchen. AC or DC refrigerator, freezer, 2-burner cooktop, all the LED lighting, little hitch there. We can put the bike rack in there ready to go. Where this one really shows off though is gonna be the layout inside. In smaller campers, a lot of customers are challenged by corner beds, meaning somebody, if there's 2 people, someone has to crawl over somebody else. Well, here we put the twin beds in it. That means everybody's in and out of bed really easy. No asking for forgiveness or permission when it's time to get up in the middle of the night. When that dinette, or when I should say, when we're not using that secondary bed, we have a dinette. How nice is this? So once this folds down, we have a very similar bed to what we have here. That's on top of all these great windows, a bathroom that has a cassette style toilet. Little shower area there, little sink. And a refrigerator. Look at the size of that refrigerator. So that's cool. How about the nicest travel trailer at the show? I would tell you it's our 28 foot rear bed classic. 2026 model. This is the Airstream with the doorbell. Everybody loves the doorbell on it. Give them a trailer for doorbell, they'll love it forever. The interior on the Classic really is top level. Corian countertops, Really well appointed couches, very roomy. This is our first travel trailer with an active sway management. So the Dexter axles in this one actually can sense sway from the trailer and truck and actually independently apply braking forces. It helps keep this thing straight down the road for you. Classic, top of the line. There's so much to be said about it, but we got so much to show you, so let's keep on going. Probably the most popular one at the show so far, I've talked more about this, put it up and down more than anything else, is the Aliner switchback. Maybe the lightest camper at the entire show, 375 pounds. I haven't found a pickup truck this doesn't fit in yet. It sleeps 2 people. It's a real basic setup. No heat, no air conditioning, but we do have a way of putting power into it. You can also hook a battery to it. Look at the storage. All the way out. You know, what's better than that? Here, I'll prove. 5'10.5". I'm quite comfortable in here. You could throw a few more people in here if you had to. Got a window. That's easy camping there. From Switchback though, we have the other offerings from Aliner. And what you're gonna find with Aliner is a foldable, hard-sided pop-up basically. Benefits this, usually our customers are looking for something to stow in their garage. So many times, that's the answer why you go with Aliner. Stow it in the garage. Switchbacks, no wood, all aluminum, all composite. Little Scout light, keeping it light and simple. 1,200 pounds, you tow this without any passenger vehicle. Very simple. All the way up to the E15. This is kind of your top dog Aliner. Composite materials. Let me show you the shower. So, this is unique. Boom, shower pan. Just like that. How nice is that? We even got the hidden potty for you too. This one's not missing nothing. In this back corner here, we kind of have a selection of single axle Airstreams. 16-foot Caravel is our shortest but fanciest offering. A 20-foot base camp for people that are looking to go rough it. Got a great door in the back, almost like a toy hauler type function where you can load the bikes and kayaks right in the back easily. The 22-foot Caravel is our first single axle that's gonna have a queen bed in it. Where in the smaller 16 and 20 footers, that bed is meant for 2 people. It does fall short of a queen. This is a little bit wider. So here, someone looking for a queen bed in an Airstream, this is a great option. Nice sized bathroom where the toilet and shower are separate from each other. And then just a big, beautiful bed. How about that? Farmhouse style sink, ducted AC. The Caravels really do bring all the luxury just into the smaller single axles. As we come around here, we got some more bigger Airstreams. A 25-foot Globetrotter is a beautiful trailer. Someone looking for a little bit more design, a little bit more class, more choice of color and palettes. Globetrotter is a lot of times a great option for them. 23-foot trade-ins, but you were too 23-foot trade-wins, but you were too slow on that one. This one's sold already, so won't get you too excited about that. But we do have more of those coming. We have a Bambi here at 20 foot. 20-foot Bambi would be someone that says, I want a small Airstream, but I want a bigger galley. Here we're gonna have the dinette. We're gonna have this messy bed. Oh, we've had so many people through here. And then this wonderful kitchen. This kitchen's what sells people, this countertop, this galley. You do get a bathroom in this one. Is a dry bath, so toilet and shower separate from each other. Bambi 20-footer, or the parallel would be the Caravel at the same size. Oh, Winnebago. Everybody knows Winnebago's name. The Micro Minis here, what makes these unique is these are 7-foot wide boxes. Very often other manufacturers do not prioritize their 7-foot wide units. They're gonna be a very economy built, very cheaply built. Winnebago goes the other way. They put all the nice stuff you find on the big expensive ones on their 7-foot wide chassis. So power stabilizers, power awnings, solid surface countertops, just all this stuff you usually have to go to a much bigger brand, but in a 7-foot wide box. That makes these really easy to tow. in that weight range of 4-ish thousand pounds. So these are really interesting ones. The 2100 series here has a few different styles of beds a person could choose from. Our 1720 is basically your nice one without the slide. If someone wants to really help minimize weight and cost, taking that slide off that can definitely help do that. The 4Winds, this right here has been a driver that's completely kind of stolen some business from the B vans. I get a lot of and find it's just too narrow from them. Here, this is a Class C, but on the Mercedes chassis, diesel, all the niceties I get from a Mercedes is a drivable, but with the room of a standard Class C. So a great mix of quality and value. For that $140,000 range, this might be one of the nicest drivables we have here. The 19Z, look at this thing. Only 19 foot long, a very simple Class C, no slide out. Come in here, let's see this. U-shaped dinette, big windows, but a simple layout, a size that'd be so easy. Anybody could drive this. If you could drive an SUV, you can get behind the wheel of this. Sleeping for 4, very simple, very affordable, great little option we have. Last but not least, this is our 21Z. This is probably our most popular floor plan in our Class Cs. It just strikes a nice balance of size, comfort, convenience, and price point. So that's a rushed walkthrough here. I don't know, is my forehead sweating here? We got a lot to show off. We'll be here throughout the week, all through next weekend here too. I'm Derek with Mark Wahlberg, Airstream and RV on the west side of Columbus. Let us know what questions you have and have a great day.